just out at the Witheren Park job. It's in the hinterland of the Gold Coast. It's at the framing stage, and I've done a very neat job on this one. It's basically a 4-bedroom house with 2 identical wings. So you get an external area here, like a little patio. This is one of the master bedrooms with a little TV room there. Ensuite. Walk-in robe. Another bedroom or study. Great big open plan living area with a rake ceiling, highlight windows. There's going to be a big fireplace that goes here. Big $11,000 3-sided glass fireplace, which will look fantastic. And then over this side you've got identical to the other side with a little outdoor area here. Bedroom, ensuite, walk-in robe, TV room, and here we've got the extra bedroom. There's a carport, nice big open span. There's a laundry here, and then main bathroom with a spa bath down the end. Now this one's not too far from the office, so we'll be back here once the roof's on and the cladding's on. They've already started putting the roof battens on. Should be locked up in about 2 weeks' time. But yeah, very nice design. Simple skillion roof with the rake ceilings, but nice big open plan, big windows to take in this beautiful view.